All right, Brandon, Chelsea, this one's for you. 2020 Ram 2500 Bighorn. Listen to that Cummins diesel. This one's a 6'4" box. It does have the dual rear cameras as well, so you'll notice there's one here hidden in the handle and another one right up there on that third brake light that lines up that fifth wheel prep pack in the box. This Bighorn package has been extremely popular as of late. Huge back seat in these two. You do have flip up rear seating, storage that comes out from underneath, and you can also flip this out to make a perfectly flat load floor if you want to. Up front, you'll notice that this has the power folding rear mirrors, as well as the power adjustable convex mirrors there as well. Automatic headlamps, Bluetooth cruise control, gear limiter as well, four-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, diesel exhaust brake, heated steering wheel, and of course heated seating as well. It does have a backup camera. That beautiful upgraded Bighorn leather, very plush cloth for a truck. For information on this or anything else in our inventory, give me a call, 403-902-0434. Take it home today, Strathmore Dodge.